I want to keep it and do it. So that's what we're going to be doing through this series on the channel. So yeah, so nothing currently works in here. The mirror doesn't work. It's got no MOT. Doesn't start when you leave it for a day or two. Intermittent battery drainage problem. The roof doesn't open. Sounds like a typical Bongo to me, doesn't it? So we've tried again. Bit of start you bastard. It's got the bloody thing running. It's absolutely smoked out of the place. But let's get it out and have a look. Right, so here it is in all its glory. Yeah, this is what we've been looking for. I'm just going to need to put the air filter housing top back on again so it doesn't sound like a train. Right, so there we go. That's that done. Let's start again. This is the lovely Bongo. There's nothing wrong with it. We haven't got to buy anything or do anything. It's absolutely perfect. It's a bit of a lie. So I haven't really looked around it too much because I picked it up on Thursday night and today's Saturday, and then obviously I just bunged it in there and left it for a couple of days. As you can see, it didn't really come out very well. But now it's out, I'll take you for a little look around it again, and we'll see the overall condition of it and then some of the things that I've already seen that we need to fix, okay? First things first, it's already on order from eBay, 60 quid. The mirror is a bit taped up and a little bit broken, but the folding still works on it. The door switch, that one works. This one does not. Now there's £60 for this piece, but they do an aftermarket individual one, which I'm going to probably pick up. So that window doesn't really do up. But as I say, it's converted. So we've got a whale for the water, petrol. We've got a plug for full electrics. So as I say, for £1,500, it isn't bad at all. She's a smoker. Right, in the back, I've not opened this yet. Don't hit the top. What we got in here? So this has obviously come off, which is not the end of the world. Under here we've got a table. Nice little table there, which probably clips on over there. Comes with some poles because it does also come with an awning, even though I'm not. Maybe I'll use the awning, maybe, I don't know, but it's come with the awning, so that's fine. So this obviously needs to be repaired. I'm not a big fan of the colour of the wood, to be honest. So what we got in here? So in here we have power cable. Yeah. Power cable 1 and 2, and then oh yeah, like a plug one, which is exactly what, sorry, power cables, and we've got a wall plug one as well, which is good because that means I can test it to see if the electrics run off of everything. So that's good. So we'll leave that out for now. Seeing what's in here, we've got a bag full of acorn, not what they're called, pine cones. Bag full of pine cones. Right, we don't need them. Dog lead, we don't need that. I want to know how the gas, so we've got a hob, but no gas, so where's that going to go? Dare I turn it off? Got a tow bar, that's good. I wonder if the tow bar works, because I do actually have a caravan as well, and we needed something decent to tow, so potentially we've got like a 7-sleeper, 4 in the caravan, and then 3 in here at least. We could do the roof, should we see if the roof works? So, over here we've got mains on, charge, fridge only. Yeah, I know, I wouldn't start, and I had to, the only way I could get it out was to get it going. That's why I've tried to keep it out here. Oh, been told it stinks in the house now because the old Bongo stunk it out. Right. So we're gonna pull it forward a bit and we'll have a look at the roof, see if the roof works. See if it works. I think it'll work. They didn't say it doesn't work. Again, for 1,500 quid, I'm not complaining about anything. Open. Does it do anything? beeping here. It's not doing anything. It's in park. The handbrake's on. It's maybe because the door's open. Let's shut the door. It doesn't go up and down. Right, well, I can't open the roof. I'm trying to remember if there's something I've forgotten about how you do it, because the parking brake's on, it's in neutral, should start. Right, let's just grab you. Here's the inside. Just, this bed is a bit annoying. It's not cool, is it? What did I do last time? I don't know what I did. I think I took out all this crap. It's definitely not the way that you're supposed to do it, I know. Take out all that. We need that to go up. All right. So if I just pull that up. Back into position. No, the roof is definitely not working. So what have we got? We've got a mirror is not working, which I've ordered off eBay for £60. The switch doesn't work, but I think that's just the switch because it did go up a little bit. The roof's not working. The passenger side curtain isn't going up and down. It doesn't seem to start, but then it does start and it's running. But it started with a bit of easy spray, so obviously it's definitely like either a glow plug or a problem in and around the fueling system. Might have a little bit of a leak or something that again we need to look at. I mean, it's genuinely clean and tidy. We could do with a bit of a revamp, like a bit of a spruce. And then as I say, in here we've got the sink. This is a hob. But I have no idea where the bloody gas bottle is, or where you put the gas bottle, for that matter. The fridge. We'll have a look. I think what we'll do, should we hook it up to the mains and see if that does anything? Let's do that. Let's turn it off. Right. Let's go around the back. Let's plug it into the mains. Let's see what happens, shall we? Right, okay, so what I'll do is I'll plug it in. We'll go on here, and then as I say, around the side here we've got the mains plug. So we'll plug it in. It's a bit shit. It's a bit shit. Right, so that's all plugged in. Oh gosh. So that's all plugged in. Then we'll turn it on and we'll go inside and see if any of the buttons are doing anything. So over here we've got a control panel. Well, that's doing fuck all. No wonder they didn't want it anymore. Right, so it looks like nothing's working. No, there's no power. I've got the mains there. We've got no power to the switch unit. Nothing's working whatsoever. So my bargain is still a bargain. All right, it's still a bargain. 1,500 quid for this Bongo converted is still a bargain. But we need to do some extensive revamping, I think, to get it up to a place where I'm happy with it, and we can use it as a day van, or if we sell it. I mean, I could sell it now probably for £4,000 as it is, needing work, but I want to keep it and do it. So that's what we're going to be doing through this series on the channel. So yeah, so nothing currently works in here. The mirror doesn't work. It's got no MOT. It doesn't start when you leave it for a day or two. Intermittent battery drainage problem. The roof doesn't open. Sounds like a typical Bongo to me, doesn't it? But yeah, I'll leave that with you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.